Hey guys, ClayRepairs here. Today, we're going to be taking a break on the interior and starting to work on the brakes. We'll be replacing the master cylinder and likely the brake booster as well. We'll also be doing the front and rear brakes. We'll be replacing the calipers on the front, and we'll be doing some work to the back brakes as well, but that'll be in a different video. Anyway, let's get right into it. First, I went ahead and loosened these up right here with this flare nut wrench to make sure I didn't round them off. After both of these came loose, I tightened them back in a little bit so that they wouldn't leak brake fluid. And then I took a wire brush to these two bolts right here and sprayed a little bit of PB Blaster on them to let it soak in so that it might come off easier. So right now, we're going to try to take off those two bolts in the back there and try to get the master cylinder off. Okay guys, it's been a little while, and after quite a bit of wrestling and fighting with this thing, we got it out. I had to stop recording because I had to get in the engine bay to really get to the bolts and rip this thing out. And these things are in pretty rough shape. This master cylinder's seen better days, and I can tell this brake booster is about half full with, I don't know if it's water or brake fluid, but you can hear something sloshing around inside of that, which isn't good. We're going to get new master cylinder and brake booster for this thing. Okay guys, I don't know where we were when we left off the last part of the video, but right now we have the booster painted right here. I painted it black, masked off all these parts, and this is the brand new booster I got from Napa, so we'll be putting that in along with the linkage here that I cleaned up and painted black, so all this right here is nice and fresh. Let's go over here on the truck. We're going to be putting the linkage back in first, and then we're going to put the booster on, and then I have a new master cylinder we're going to put in as well. Okay guys, I don't know where we left off after my cameraman left me. But we got everything in now. The push rod is through the firewall right here and attached to the brake pedal, with both sensors right here and right here attached to the brake pedal. Then we got the linkage attached to the firewall with the bracket, and then put the booster on. Then we put the master cylinder on here, attached the brake lines, filled it up with fluid, and bled the brakes. And also, if you notice, I gave this all a shot of black paint to help it keep from rusting again. I also changed the rear wheel cylinders and did a whole rear brake job, but I didn't film that very good, so unless you guys really want me to, I probably won't edit and post that. So remember to give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss another episode in this series.